Ito guys, another pattern na naman sa paborito nating laro, roulette.
5 units, we're going to use $100 units here at the lodge.
Okay.
We're going to go 3 units on 1 to 18 and 2 units on the third dozen. So we win everywhere except 19 to 24 and 000.
Dalawa lang nilagyan niya.
Anywhere else, we win $100.
Gagi sa lahat ng pattern, ito pinakamadali As in, dalawa lang nilagyan nyo.
You do not want to see 19 to 24 or 0 double.
Pero kalkulado lahat Lahat ng taya dito, kalkulado
Hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching.
Pag ito, maganda tong pattern na to, strategy na to. Dalawa lang lalagyan mo, wala kang masyadong tatandaan.
15. That is a winner.
Gagi.
1 to 1 there. That's 3 units.
Gagi, kuha mo pa rin. Subukan natin yung ginawa niya guys. Titignan nyo, dalawa lang inilagyan natin Magkaiba ng amount yan. Ito 300, ito 200. Pwede natin baguhin yan. Pwede nyo gawin 2,000 to. Ito 3,000. Pwedeng 30, pwedeng 20. Gets nyo, di ba? Okay. Let's go! Let's go! Gagi, ganun lang pa. Ulit-ulit lang. Ulitin natin Taasan naman natin this time yung taya natin Taasan natin yung taya natin. Okay. Ayan. Tignan natin kung effective din ba sa mas mataas na taya Bali 4K taya ako. Benga, let's go! Gagi, hindi sobrang laki ng panalo mo, pero almost sure win ka pa ulit-ulit lang. 4K mo panalo ng 800. Diba? Ano ba naman ba yung kumikita ka ng pa 800, diba? Guys, kung gusto niyo ulit subukan tong roulette yung Pearl of the Seas, yung link nandyan sa comment section. Dito na tayo sa Safe and Secured. So, game? Game!
How to sign up in Pearl of the Seas. Find the Google Chrome app. Click search, then type POTS888.VIP. Find the sign up button at the upper right side of this page. Click it. Don't forget to fill up your username, password, email, and phone number. Congrats! You've successfully registered at Pearl of the Seas. Enjoy!
Play here at Pearl of the Seas.